guys, what's up? It's CP. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to air fry bangus. I found, just a few quick videos on YouTube on ways to air fry it, and I tried out a few different methods, and I think I found the one I think would work best so that the fish isn't too dry and it's still a little juicy, but it still has that nice crisp edges to it. Air frying also doesn't really make the house smell like fish too much, so for those of you who try to avoid frying fish at home, check out this way to air fry it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys click like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what else you can air fry. I mean, I think it'd be pretty tight if I could learn how to air fry danggit. That's like one of my favorite Filipino like breakfasts, like such a guilty pleasure. Or like, what's that other? Yeah, I forgot the name of the toyo. Oh my gosh, I haven't had toyo in so long, but that one is like for sure would make your house smell like fish. So here is air frying bangus. We have our packaged bangus, which is already marinated milkfish. I got this over at the Filipino market. They have this at Asian stores too, but this is already marinated with vinegar, salt, whatever that is, garlic, and ground pepper. That might be MSG, to be honest. Actually, look, monosodium glutamate, MSG. Sick. Alright, so we're gonna open this. I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, yum, look at that. And then, oops, I made it, Pat your fish dry. And rub it down with some oil. Oh, make sure you oil the bottom of your pan. Put your bangus in. Put your lid on. Air fry for 350 at 12 minutes. Now that that's done, I'm gonna drop the cover. Got your plate of rice, and just go ahead and put bangus on there. Yum! That's a big old bangus. Not that much rice. Need more rice. And here we have our bangus on our plate alongside some rice and tomatoes, of course. See, as you can see here, it's still definitely a little juicy. It has that nice fried parts. It just looks a little crispy, and it's not too dried out, so it'll be really good. As well as the tomatoes, we also have, of course, in a Filipino staple meal, you need your vinegar. I can't really see that, but in here we have vinegar, garlic, pepper, and Thai chili. So this is always a great side to dip your fish in. Okay, what not to do? Don't forget to put oil in the bottom of your pan. Bangus came out a little not bangusy.